Hello guys, this is another free tool. It is called Customer Lifetime Value Calculator. In this tool, you get to calculate a customer's lifetime value. To start, simply hit the Fill Example button. It will populate left side values with example values. These are safe defaults. And then you can see how it's going to visualize things on the right side. Now you can edit these fills from the left side, and you will see it in the real time. Let's say I keep increasing, decreasing. As you can see, the graph gets shifted down, and these values get updated. And what these terms mean, you can see easily them by hovering over these icons. And once you're done, you can go to Advanced, and you can change other values. And here too, you can hit the Fill Example button, and you will get value build up by year and other values as well. It shows that it is healthy. That is the customer lifetime value, and customer acquisition cost ratio is more than 3:1. So this is good. You can adjust all these values to get the ratio more than 3:1. And if you want to start it afresh, simply hit the reset button. It will be emptied out, and now you can start afresh. But I recommend you to hit this Fill Example button and then update these values according to your wish. I think it is done. And if you want to know the formulas being used in this tool, you can go back to this doc. And you will see everything. And if you have any confusion, put that in the comment section of the video. Thanks. By the way, I am building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.